Hi everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the video, and today I want to share with you a little anecdote. It's about how I spent my Friday night, mainly erasing and cleaning the shit of a girl that I really liked at the time. You could pretty much say she used me, sort of. She's very kind though. And what incredible finding I had, realization in that great but weird moment. So I basically, what happened is that I really liked this girl, and I don't know if she did, but she probably knew. And so what she asked me to do is like, oh sorry, I'm just leaving for something and I really need somebody to go and clean the mess that I made yesterday night. She just stated that, but she actually went. She got drunk with a boy that she liked, and they did that. So she actually asked that I had to bring alcohol, and like the one you had in the bathroom, and something very rough to actually get it cleaned, because it was with this very difficult to erase pen that she was using. And she was actually writing a lot of crap, stupid shit, drunk shit all over her old school's entrance door. And luckily enough it was Friday, so they closed and nobody was there. But you can imagine the situation. Just went there with my hoodie. Everybody was like, what's this guy doing here? Like, just people on the street. And so I got into this persona of, I'm so cool, I'm doing this. I brought a little bottle of alcohol that I filled myself, and as I was doing it I realized I could run short of alcohol very quickly, and my house was not nearby. So I started doing it very carefully, like 2 drops, just very, very concentrated, like it was a professional doing it or something. It was rough, I mean, it was difficult. It took me about half an hour or something. But during that half an hour, I felt a sort of entertainment, engagement, excitement, and peace that I had not felt the whole day, the whole week, and probably the whole month or beyond. And to compare that, afterwards I went to a party that I was invited to. It was for free. They were playing very good reggae music, like artists there. We were having fun, supposedly, and there was good friends. I met very interesting girl and everything, but for some reason there was a very big difference in how I felt in those two situations. So anyone would assume that I would have a lot of more fun just partying and listening to this music that this artist was playing in front of me. It was actually music I like. It was good reggae music. But that was completely not the case. And of course, I wasn't having all that fun cleaning the shit of this girl because I liked her. No, that was completely not it. It was, I think, because of the nature of the activity. So it was an activity, it was a physical activity, number one. My body was engaged. But you could say, oh, your body is engaged in dancing too. Yeah, but, you know, with dancing, you're kind of looking at how people are looking at you and thinking whether you're looking stupid, that kind of thing. But when you're cleaning, you're not thinking, hey, am I stupid? You're just doing your job. It's pretty easy, straightforward. Also, you're doing something, and as you do it, you see the result. So the feedback is very, very immediate, and it feels good. You can see, you can perceive clearly how you are making an impact, a change into the world, even if it's just the entrance of a school. And what I think was most important to differentiate between these two situations is that in one, I was just doing my fucking job. I wasn't supposed to feel any way. I was just only supposed to get it done. And in the other one, I was supposed to have fun. And if I didn't have fun, I was wasting my time. If it cost me money, also my money. But in the other one, because I had the freedom to not try to have fun, I somehow allowed myself to feel however I felt. And because it was a new activity, it's something that required expertise, it felt really well. Whereas the other thing that actually took me to really try hard to feel good made me really struggle a little bit. So yeah, that was pretty much the activity, the anecdote, sorry, that I wanted to share with you. It was short, but it told me that it doesn't need to be very fancy for us to feel well about it. And it may not be supposedly fun, but if we just feel free to do as we want, we will just feel free to have a task, to have a meaning, a purpose, just something we can serve for. Maybe that fulfills a very deep part of us, that modern, let's have fun, let's get rich sort of society doesn't. So I'm just gonna leave you with that if you want to take it or not. Alright? So thanks for listening to the story, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you thought I was a loser, I probably was, but I really had a lot of fun being a loser. That's kind of the point. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye bye.